Let me show you how to generate such liquid foamy text in Adobe Firefly. Open your browser and search for Adobe Firefly website. If you are new to this, you will need to sign up. Then click on Generate. From General Settings, keep Firefly Image 3 Model. An aspect ratio to 16:9 widescreen. Keep content type to photo. You can also try art as well. Now enter the prompt. You can copy the prompt from description. Click on Try Prompt. These are some results. Download one better result image. To generate similar images, click on Edit and select Generate Similar. These are some similar images results. Now in Structure Reference, upload text image. You will need to create such text image. In Style Reference, upload liquid foamy image that we generated now. Keep visual intensity and strength to 0. Click on Generate. We didn't got good results. Let's try it by increasing structure reference strength and styles visual intensity. Now we got some good results. Now we'll try one more, increasing some more visual intensity. We'll try one more, increasing strength. These are the results we got. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments. Also, don't forget to check out my other Firefly tutorials.